Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different than it usually is, so just bear with me. I'll explain in a minute. So this video is going to be totally random, but I'm going to go ahead with it anyway. I actually filmed this months ago, but I was debating on whether or not I would post it and share. I kind of forgot about it until yesterday. I ran across it and thought, hey, that video didn't look as bad as I thought, so here I am adding a voiceover to it now so I can post it. So I filmed this video with a GoPro camera that Alan had bought me for my birthday when we were living in Hawaii. I thought it would be interesting to film a video that was kind of like a different point of view. So in some shots I'll be holding the camera, so it's almost like you're right there with me and seeing what I'm seeing, and then in other shots I'll be setting the camera down and going about my business. So the camera is automatically like a fisheye lens, which is why it looks the way it does. It's sort of rounded and widened a bit, and I understand that the quality is not that great, but I thought that it could still be interesting. So this is kind of like a tester more than anything. That's why I said it was random, because I just randomly decided to try this out one day. But I would love to know your thoughts on this style of recording, because while I'm watching it, I feel like it looks more like a security camera than an actual camera. I don't know, but I still thought it could be interesting. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and be quiet now and put some music on. I'm really tired today, so I don't feel like talking much. Hopefully that doesn't sound rude. It's super gloomy outside, and it's raining, and to be honest, I'd like to just go back to bed. But I hope y'all enjoyed today's videos regardless. If you are liking it so far, give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would really appreciate it if you would.
I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
I know we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to start, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Like you could shake this off. You're not that tough. 4 o'clock in the evening, I haven't left my room. But the truth is, if I'm honest, I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Well, the sheets over my head, hoping change is gonna find me. You don't have to remind me I'm doing nothing at all. I'm ruminating on a blank wall, but I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Can you tell me what I need? Can you tell me what you see in me? Can you tell me what I need? Can you tell me what you see in me? I just feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go?
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna
only child I know. You're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
A significant light, just where it was needed. Gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing. Faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be here by dawn. And when we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. A significant light, just what it was needed. Clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead. And in the eyes of time, nobody is losing. When we finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. Everything